So nice bird. Yeah, looking. What? So nice. Looking. Yeah. You want to come out? Yeah. Egg. Our Lurkudia and so many bird. Yeah. Egg not. I'm saying our Lurkudia in so many birds. Yeah.
Yes. No, all video making.
Yes.
All parrot, sir.
Eh?
All parrot.
Yeah.
Only one parrot. Only one there. Not two feet.
Looking like hen. Yeah.
Really? But not parrot.
Giant hen. This is bird.
You see what searching that video?
Eh? Yeah, so nice looking bird. So
That rose flower also so good looking. That
Where?
also not.
yeah. I'm not a
Is this flower different, sir? That. This big available.
Eh? You can come also in my video. Look,
I'll come, sir.
you want to come?
Yes.
Then come.
I'll come, sir.
You come then. Where are you going?
I come.
You want to come? Yeah, you coming in my video.
I'm not coming. No, I'm not coming.
What is that? Rabbit. What? Don't pluck and don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch him. Only for you can live there. Yes. I made that.
What is this, sir?
Yeah. That is bird. No. Flower. I tell in English. Pulte head.
That is more parrot.
Anima, what are you doing?
Hey,
Salmon. Anima. So our garden, 2 trees, big but difficult looking. Danger train coming. You want to come in my video? Video I am making.